Imagine capturing moments with a 64MP camera, pictures so clear, it's like reliving the scene every time. Now pair that with a 150W charger that powers up your phone in just 20 minutes. Vivo's upcoming V31 Pro 5G promises to redefine your smartphone experience. Let's break down what makes this device a true game changer. The Vivo V31 Pro 5G combines cutting-edge design, top-tier performance, and photography features that rival professional cameras. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or simply looking for a reliable daily driver, this phone has something for everyone. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about the display. The Vivo V31 Pro 5G features a 6.82-inch punch-hole display, offering a resolution of 1020 by 3100 pixels. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or playing high-intensity games, the 144Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth visuals. The vibrant colors and sharp details make every moment feel immersive. For security, the phone includes a fast and reliable in-display fingerprint sensor, making unlocking seamless and secure. Now we'll talk about the performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, the V31 Pro 5G ensures smooth multitasking and gaming without a hitch. Whether it's editing videos or switching between apps, this device is built for speed and efficiency. Now we'll talk about the camera system. The real highlight here is the 64MP primary rear camera, a first in its class. Every photo is packed with detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera system also includes a 50MP ultra-wide lens for stunning landscape shots, 32MP depth sensor for professional quality portraits, 0.50MP front camera, perfect for selfies and 4K video recording. Whether you're a casual user or a professional creator, this camera setup ensures every shot is a masterpiece. Now we'll talk about the battery and charging. A 4100 mAh battery powers the Vivo V31 Pro 5G, providing enough juice to last through a full day of intense usage. But the real star is the 150W fast charger. Imagine going from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Whether you're rushing to work or heading out for an adventure, you'll never be tied to a charging cable for long. Now we'll talk about the storage option. Vivo understands that every user is different, which is why the V31 Pro 5G comes in 3 configurations. 8GB RAM, 128GB storage for casual users, 0.12GB RAM, 256GB storage for power users, 0.12GB RAM, 512GB storage for those who need maximum space and performance. No matter your needs, there's an option tailored just for you. With its sleek, premium finish and a design that draws inspiration from the iPhone, the Vivo V31 Pro 5G offers both beauty and functionality. Its lightweight build and comfortable grip make it easy to use, while its bold colors ensure it stands out in any crowd. Why the Vivo V31 Pro 5G stands out. In a market flooded with smartphones, the V31 Pro 5G sets itself apart by focusing on what users truly care about: unparalleled camera quality, blazing fast charging, a smooth, vibrant display, ample storage and performance options. This isn't just a phone, it's a tool that adapts to your lifestyle. Now we'll talk about the launch date and price. Mark your calendars for early 2025, as that's when Vivo is expected to officially unveil this device. While the exact price hasn't been confirmed, it's rumored to fall within a competitive range, making it accessible for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The Vivo V31 Pro 5G is shaping up to be more than just a smartphone. It's a companion for those who demand the best in every aspect of their digital lives. From its 250MP camera to its 150W charger, this phone is all about delivering value where it matters most. If you're looking to upgrade, this could be the device to watch in 2025. What do you think about Vivo's latest offering? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.